Ooh.
I don't know, it's the next thing again, you know.
What?
It coulda be a folk song, and if you loving, then it coulda be a love one.
What?
And
Yo!
Sex outside, tell the pussy them try. Sex outside, tell the pussy them try. B.I.L. them I yell, need up your brain fly. Send Paul Lopez, bump on your gun die.
Bang, boom, bang. What's good, YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. Now we're back with another reaction for you guys. Today we have another Saint Kitts song. Yes, people. Now this artist is a bad artist out of Saint Kitts. You see me, I say, if you come from Saint Kitts, you know the artist here. You don't know the artist here. You see me, I say, when see what I want to do now, people say, if they watch my video, I want to go find that song here and go watch it again. I mean, it's a reaction boss, so I don't know about this. So, you see me, that one for the girl them with the tight puna. Ooh, and those people. The artist name Young Gena. You did me, I say, Disorder. That's what the song is called. You depend on the low rhythm. Anyway, people, it's a girl song. That's all we need for here. Now. What is a girl song? We dead there. Cause gunman in show, she like, yo, not even say 40. Comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. And, post every single day. 2 to 3 to 4 times for the day. This is the 4th video of the day. How you doing, mofo? Like up the video, people, so the video get recommended to more people. And if it's your first time here, you want to see some more video reactions from your country. If you're first send kids, it's a fan for me, and you want to see some more, all you do is like the video, send it to your friend, and make them know, say, yo, Tyrekevlogs Reaction Boss is doing, he's taking over the entire Caribbean. You see me, I say, that's when they come subscribe. You see me, I say, yeah, man, that drive me, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. Run through now. Run through now.
Disorder. No long intro.
No long intro for the girl them.
But ladies,
ooh,
I don't know, it's the next thing again, you know.
What?
It coulda be a folk song, and if you loving, then it coulda be a love one.
What?
And
Yo! When them saying starting a dog, you have to make sure say have a big back like NOC. You see, I want some about 3 bumbo clap big as cliff in the dog, you know me? I have build back so with a girl a wine for you, slow wine, she wine for you. Watch us tell you.
folk song, and if you loving, then you coulda
Slow wine, girl.
Touch up on your nipple, make you wet and fast. A girl a foreplay, that a your girl disorder. She kiss me on my neck, she make me harder. Front way and back way, which one you want? She took
For the girl them, people, run up a tune. Pull up a tune. Run tune for the girl them.
your love one.
Scoot back.
And it's a folk song, and if you loving, then you coulda be me love one. Touch up on your nipple, make you wet and fast. A girl a foreplay, that a your girl disorder. She kiss me on my neck, she make me harder. Front way and back way, which one you want? She touch up on your nipple, make you wet and fast. A girl a foreplay, that a your girl disorder.
Aye. You come to take with everybody, girl. You fall for take with the world, the man, them girl. With a girl is song. And your foreplay action, touch her upon her. What? Go on.
She kiss me on my neck, she make me harder. Front way and back way, which one
You rather.
Looking at me eyes, you a victim. Sex appeal make you wetter than your christening.
Yeah.
It's sickening when a girl don't dip king.
Yeah.
You're sinking up by the pressure by your lips.
Yeah.
Please to pleasure young Gena to this.
What? No, yo. People, if they say you're no bad dog, if I say you're no bad to you, you're batty man. You do me I say, if you don't have something but get soon, I won't choose to be a batty man, but me not do them thing that wrong. That wrong for me, but do what I do. Go on.
Same thing.
Don't promote it.
Broke down the place, mash up your system. He bite the beat, baby, you're not listening. Baby girl, you're the victim, same thing. He touch up on your nipple, make you wet and fast. Girl a foreplay, that a your girl
Disorder.
She kiss me on my neck, she make me
Harder.
Front way and back way,
Which one you rather?
He touch up on your nipple, make you wet and
Aye.
fast. Girl a foreplay, that a your girl
Disorder.
She kiss me on my neck, she make me harder.
Front way, back way, which one you rather?
Girl, me really hurt you the grapevine. Your body pure and edge like some great wine.
Yeah.
You happy and no debate, you can't stay fine.
God. Hey, little girl, you can't take fuck. You can't take body. Because when we tell you that's again in the bedroom in that. Bro, ain't no good at getting in that. Run tune. Rachel!
You sweater drop me and take time. You may landing smooth like it's ever been. Me stand firm and solid. The lingerie you just up in, girl. You wanna stay, baby girl, well I stay true. I make your place wetter even if the day blue. You touch up on your nipple, make you wetter fast. Girl, I foreplay that are your girl this.
Sada.
She kiss me pa me neck, she make me
Harder.
front way and back way.
We try the radar.
Me touch up on your nipple, make you wetter fast. Girl, I foreplay that are your girl this.
Sada.
She kiss me pa me neck, she make me harder.
If you sang bad, I want to see in the comment section. The fire emoji them. The like button if you tear up right now. We're going for 500 likes on the video. 500 likes we're going for the video, people. Run up on the like button. Tear up the like button, button right now. May I sweat out there. I work. Run, June.
We
try the radar.
Looking at me eyes, you a victim. Sex appeal make you wetter than your christening. It's sickening when a girl don't dip king. Me sinking up by the pressure bite your lips in. Please to pleasure young Gena to the sing thing. Broke down the place,
You
shock
the
your
man.
sister.
That's a please to pleasure young Gena. Run, June.
He bite, he beat, baby, you're not listening. Baby girl, you're the victim, same thing.
Sang down to blood clot. Switch people. Now I'm telling you something. This artist right here, so is a new artist. Make sure I say this to tell you at the end of the video. You did me? And the man smart about him business because the man reach out to me via email. Can I say, okay, so everybody gonna run go over Instagram and go full up him Instagram. You know what I'm gonna do? Through more of my thing for do the right way, man. Just email me. You did me? I say. But say you couldn't know a thing right now. Anyway, Steve, go check out the artist. Link to the original song is down below in the description, people. Go support the man thing. And I know when you see the song bad, when you hear it for yourself, I never have to say hype up the song. The song bad. The song how we get hype because it hype itself. Once a girl in a dog, you know, say me go for in a youth. Suppose to do the music video this. Blood clot. With that pull the girl up through the phone screen right now for the get a music video. People run go over there go like the video, make you know say the reaction bar send on the back over there. So touch on the link in the description, people. Go over there, like the band music video, like the man song, and comment to the reaction bar. Send me over, yes sir, dog. Thank you all for love and support. Remember, that's the one you owner go support me and help me grow. Remember, I try to take over the entire Caribbean. Say some come some and play a song for somebody and I want to go over there, go watch it, dog, and listen to the song, dog. You see me, a son gonna help me, you know, dog. You did me and say, so big up on yourself. I'm out.